Good morning students. I hope you all are fit, healthy and fine and welcome back in our online classes. I hope you all are ready for study also. Students, today we are starting a new lesson of class 3, that is chapter 4, the internet and introduction. Internet. What is internet? The internet is a global network of billions of computers and other electronic devices. The internet contains billions of web pages created by people and companies from around the world and making it a limitless place to locate information and entertainment. Students, the internet was originally formed in 1969 as a military network, but the network opened to non-military users in 1970. You can see in this image, nowadays the internet is connected all over the world. It is connected all over the world. So students, internet is an important part of everyday life for people around the world. No one actually owns the internet and no single person or organization control the internet in its entirety. Now come to the next point, uses of internet. With the internet, it is possible to access almost any information, communicate with anyone else in the world and do much more. You can do all of this by connecting a computer to the internet, which is also called going online. When someone says a computer is online, it is just another way of saying it is connected to the internet. One of the best features of the internet is the ability to communicate almost instantly with anyone in the world. Now students, take an example of email. Email is one of the oldest and universal ways to communicate and share information on the internet, and billions of people use it. Next is advantages of internet. Internet covers almost every aspect of life one can think of. Here we will discuss some of the advantages of internet. Now come to the first. First is internet allows us to communicate with the people sitting at remote location. One can find various social networking sites such as Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter. These all are social networking sites. You can see here, this is logo of Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. You all are watching videos in the YouTube. Next is, one can search for any kind of information over the internet. Information regarding various topics such as technology, health and science, social studies, geographical, information technology, products, etc. can be served with the help of search engine. With millions of websites online today, there is a lot of information in the internet. Search engine make this information easier to find. Now next is third. Apart from communicating and source of information, internet also serves as medium for entertainment. Following are the various mode of entertainment over internet, like online games, song, videos, online television. You can see here in the image, one person is playing online game. You can also listen songs and watch television using internet. Our fourth point is internet allow us to use many services like email, internet banking, online shopping, online bill payment, online ticket booking. This all works we can do with the help of internet. You can see in this image one person is doing bill payment online. You can also do this. Now next is fifth. Internet provides concepts of electronic commerce that allow the business deals to be conducted on electronic system. It is called e-commerce. Now students, we have discussed the advantages of internet. These all are the advantages of internet. Now come to the next point, disadvantages. Disadvantages of internet. Through internet has provided to be a powerful source of information in almost every field. There exist many disadvantages too. Virus can easily be spared to the computer connected to the internet. It means if your computer is connected to the internet, virus may attack in your computer. Such virus attack may cause your system to crash or your important data may be deleted. Student, there are always chance to lose personal information such as name, address, credit card numbers. Therefore, one should be very careful while sharing such information. Another disadvantage is the spamming. Spamming corresponds to the unwanted emails in bulk. This email serves no purpose and lead to the obstruction of entire system. So, there are also some disadvantages of internet. Be careful when you are using internet. Thank you. Have a